That's salvation. Let's the rings unfold. So while I'm lying in the bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel that love is dead. I'm loving angels instead. And doing she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection. Whether I'm right or wrong, down the waterfall, wherever she may take me, and know that love won't break me. When I come to crawl, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. When I feel weak and my pain walks down Waterloo's street, I look above and I know I'll always be blessed with love. As the beauty grows, she breathes the flesh to my bones. I won't understand. I'm loving angels instead.